Use the chat box, guys. Everything is fine now. Come on. Everything is fine now. My voice is audible now. Screen is visible. Okay, so fine. Fine. Okay, guys. So let's start. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So how we can write in the what is that using what is that map collection? If in the class what is that we are taking attributes are what maps. So how we can write it now? Property dot variable plus what is that dot map key. Map key means attribute key equal to what is that? After then what is that value? We know that our what is that map is storing the data in the key and the value format, right? Map also using storing the data using what key and the value. This is the syntax of what property file. No, I want to store what is that I don't want to use what to store what is that property means the data inside property. I want YAML, right? I want what is that YAML. So what is that YAML? What is that YAML? How we can write it now, guys? In using ML prefix, we will write the prefix colon one downside variable colon now one space after then what is that map key map key colon what is that map key colon what is that map value here one space here one space like this we will write in what like this we will write inside what guys inside our ml file. Okay, no problem. Okay, so you explained right what is that list we will write like this and the map. Okay, then about what is that association has a relation. If classes is there between what is that has a relation, like what is that guys has a relation means what a class is there, right? So just a class is there, we want to inject the data. What is that we want to inject the data about what is that b data, right? B class, right? If we want to inject the b class inside that what a class, so what is that has a relation is there, right? Between these two classes what has a relation is there. So I want to inject what is that data using what has a relation. I want to inject the data using what has a relation. So what is the syntax, how you can write it? Okay, so okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. So just think about that, guys. So so in the has a relation, right? Using has a relation, what is that? So prefix, right? Prefix dot what is that prefix dot has a variable dot variable, right? Has a variable dot variable equal to value. We will write the value here, value, right? Okay, so what about YAML file? What about YAML file? YAML file will be prefix colon. Okay, one space has a has a variable has a variable. Now again what is that one space variable colon value, like this we will write, guys. Okay, so let's whatever explanation we taken, right? Based on this explanation, what we will do now, let's write one application and we will experiment those things as what practically, guys. Let's experiment those things as what practically and we will see those things. Okay, we will see those things. Okay, so you want here only clear picture? Okay, now no problem. Before writing this, okay, so just think about that. What is that? Okay, so this is the property file, right? This is our what property file. This is what application dot properties is there, right? How we will write in the same things in the class, right? If in our class these attributes are there, okay, in our class these attributes are there, right? in our class, what is that @configuration, @configuration property is there. Inside that, what is that prefix is what? Prefix is what, guys? Prefix is what? Our prefix is what, guys? Just I'm taking what is that my dot app only, right? My dot app. Okay. So based on that, okay. So in this class, what is that list is there? So just think about that list. List is string only. I'm taking what is string only. String. Same thing I will implement as a what practical also, guys. Okay. Concentrate here only. Concentrate on here only. So just I'm giving what detail. Detail. Okay. Detail. Another one I'm taking what is that set. Set. Set only. I'm taking what is that set. Here also in the set also is string only. We know that set is not allowing what is that duplicate data. Details. Okay. Another one is what? Another string I'm taking what is that array. String what is that details. Details. Three is there. Three variables are there, right? So we know that if we, in three cases, if we store the data, right? If we store the data, how it will store it now, guys? Just think about that. This is we are going to store what is that A, and another one is what B, another one is what C, right? Three variables means three data we are storing, right? Okay, three data we are storing now. Okay, fine. So what is that? What is the index will become? First one will become what? 0. Second one is become what? 1, and third one is will become what? 2, right? So 2, so 2, so what here only? If we are writing the what is that? If we are writing what is that? Using what is that? Using list set, right set, we will follow what is that? This syntax. If we are writing the property, how we can write it? We said that prefix dot what is that? Variable dot index, right? So come here. So come here, okay? Come here in the class, okay? So here I'm writing what is that? YAML. How it's look like in the YAML? What is that? YAML, right? YAML. This is the ML property. Just think about that. This is the ML property is there. Okay. So if we write this, okay, in the property, this data, how we will write it now, guys? So what is that? Map.app is there, right? So come here in the property file. How we can write it? Map dot, oh sorry, my dot what? My dot what? App dot what? Details is there, right? Details is there, right? So details. Now what is that? Details. This variable must be matched, guys. Okay, this variable must be matched. Then our what is that? IOC container will inject it. Okay, then our IOC container will inject. Okay, details. Now index, we will give what is that? Index number, guys, 0, right? Then first if we want to read that, inject the data, index number 0. After then in index number what data is there? A. Like this we will inject. Okay, now same another one is what? Another one is what? My dot what app dot what is the details, right? Details. Here what we will write? Index number 1. Inside that index number 1, what is there? B is there. Now another one is what? My dot what app dot what details. Details. Index number what, guys? C. Okay, C is there. In the C, sorry, 2 2 is there. Index number 2, right? In the index number 2, what is the data is there? C. Okay, like this we will write in the property. But whenever we are talking about that these things, how we can write these things in the what? ML. Let's see that. Okay, in the ML, if ML is there, how we will write it now? How we will write it now? Let's see that. Okay, so in ML, how we can write it now? In the ML prefix, prefix is what? My colon 1 space. What is that? App colon. What is that? Again down 1 space. What is that? Details, guys. Okay, details. Okay, so I explained, right? Whenever we will write the indexes, so how we can write? Come down one what is that? Hyphen symbol. After then what is that, guys? It will represent indexes. This symbol will represent in what? ML index, guys. Okay, index. Okay now after then A, again what we will do now? Hyphen B. After then what is that? Another one is what? Hyphen what? Hyphen C. Like this we will write in what? ML. Like this we will write the ml, but in the property how we will write index also we will write, but here index will represent what is that hyphen symbol now guys. Okay, so let's write these things and we will see that as what practically. Okay, let's see that these things as what practically now. Okay, so in the same application, okay, so let's create one application only, because Spring Boot application, it's not taking time like Spring, right? We have need to put the dependency and all those things. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm just creating one application guys. Okay, so what is that? File new, file new, what is that? Starter project, right? Starter project. Inside this starter project, just what is that? Collection complex, configuration complex, complex data, right? Data, just data. Okay, so now fine. Okay, everything is fine now. Next, select the Lambok API guys. Okay, select the Lambok API. Next, finish. Yeah, this is right. Now expand it. Now come inside that here. So what we will do now, let's take one runner class only. In the runner class we will write the three data, right? So what I'm going to do now, here com.rk.runner, my runner, right? So here what is that? App runner, I'm taking what is that? App runner. Okay, inside that, what is that? If we want to make this class as what, to create our IOC container object, what annotation we will apply? At the rate configuration, right? At the rate, what is, sorry, component, at the rate component. Yeah, we applied now. Okay, so next what we will do now, at the rate component. Okay, so here what we are going to do now, yeah, just inside this, what is that? Just I'm taking what is that? Implement, what is that? Command line runner, command line runner. Now fine, inside this command line runner, one abstract method is there, I'm overriding that abstract method. Okay, so now fine guys, so here what I'm going to do now, same attribute guys, come inside that what, come inside that what, list string details, set string details, string, we will see everything as in the same only, here only. What I'm going to do now, private, what is that? Is list, right? List, what is that? What I'm going to take now, list string, right? String details, I'm taking what is that? Details, details, right? So details. Okay, now another one is what? Private, what is that? Set, I'm taking what? Set, I'm taking, right? Set, set. Here also I'm taking what is that? String only. Now again I'm taking what is that? Details, right? Details. Okay, fine. So another one more I'm taking what is that? Private string, what is that? Details, right? Details, I'm taking, this is the array type. String, what is that? This is the array type. Fine, so these three property I taken, but here what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting this one. Okay, we will see that what is that as a practically, because details, if we take only one name we can take, right? Duplicate name we can't take in the same class. So after then, what is that? We will take what is that? At the rate data, why we are taking to set get, right? To perform, because a rule only, right? I explained, without setter getter we can't use what is that? At the rate at the rate configuration property, right? At the rate configuration property, inside this configuration property we will set what? Prefix, right? Inside this prefix, what is that? My dot what app we are taking, right? We are taking what is that? My dot app. Okay, this area we completed now guys. Okay, so let's come to write what is that? This data, right? Based on that indexes. So I'm going to use first what? I'm going to use what? So here just print it. Okay, sys out details, this out these details. Okay, so come here. Okay, so come inside that property, I'm going to property file, I'm opening now guys. Okay, so what is that prefix we are taking? My dot app, right? So my, what is that? My dot app dot what? My dot app dot, what is that guys? Variable name. What is the variable name is there? Details, right? Variable name is what? Details is there. Details and index number. What is that? 0. Index number 0, right? In the index number 0, just I'm taking what is that? A. Okay. Same like what I'm going to do now. Now paste it. Okay. Here index number 2. I'm taking what? Index number 2. Here index number 3. I'm taking, right? Sorry, 1 and here I'm taking what? 2. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, here I'm taking what is that? B, and here I'm taking what? C, right? So these three variables are there. Now let's run the application and we will see that, okay, how our list is working using what is that? Configuration property. Okay, so now right click, run this and boot application. See that, guys, we are able to get the result or not? We are able to get the result or not? Okay, so this is the list, right? This is the list, list collection. Okay, so now no, I want to what is that? Here, let's comment this one. Let's comment this one, and uncommenting what is that? Set. Now run that. This one also work with the same only, right? This one also working with the same only. See that, based on that set, but set inside that, what is that key? If you are taking duplicate here, so just think about that. What? C, B, if you are taking what is that? B here, if you are taking what? B, then what will happen? Just you will get what is that? Yes, C also you are getting, right? You will get just B result only. See, now run this. Because in the set duplicate is not allowed. See, AB just we are getting, right? AB we are just getting, right? Because here duplicate we are taking the value as what? Duplicate, and we know that set is not allowing duplicate data, right? Duplicate data. Now see, okay, now I'm enabling what? Now I'm commenting this one set, and I'm enabling the array. Now let's run the application and see this. Okay, no problem. Here, what we are getting now, guys, what array dimensions we are getting, right? The array, what we are getting now, array dimensions. So what we will do now, dot, dot, which still we are getting, why? Just what we will do now. See that we are getting, right? This actually current object is representing, right? My app runner, what is that? In the array also we are able to run the a dot abcd, right? Abcd. So like this we are reading what, guys? Like this we are reading what? A list set and array data from that what? Property file. Okay, so no, I want to read that this data, right? No, I want to read this data from what? I want to read this data from ml file. How we can write it? Okay, how we can write it? Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so what we will do now, we know that first priority always will give to whom? First priority always will give to whom? Property, right? So I'm commenting these things. Okay, now let's create one ml file, right? Now right click, new, take the file. What is that? What we will take here, right? Application dot sorry, ml, yml, right? Ml. Now finish. Now ml file be created. So what we will do now, guys, what is the prefix now? Prefix my dot, what is that? My dot here, what is that? My dot app, right? My dot app. So what we will do now, my colon app space app. After then what? After then what? Indexes is there, right? Indexes. So how we I said that index we will represent like this. Okay, index we will represent like this. But come here, what is that? Details is there. DETAILS. Details property is there. After then what we will do now? Hyphen just I'm taking A, again what? Hyphen B, hyphen C. Now run this one. Run the application, and we can see the same result on the console. Um, okay, no problem, guys. Same problem. Come in the problem section. What we are getting? Suddenly we are moving in the XML or YAML, right? Now update the project. If you are getting null and you are confident about your code, just update it. Okay. These things is the common in Spring Boot. Now updation is completed. 1 minute. It's taking time, right? Yeah. Now run this application. Now run the application now, guys. Now run this. Run as what? Spring Boot application, right? See that A, B, C we are getting, right? But why hyphen is getting now? Okay, 1 minute. We will check it now. We will check it. Okay, why we are getting this like this? Okay, now come inside that runner. Okay, uncomment list, and comment it what? Array. Okay, come inside this one. Run the application. A, B, C. But why we are getting hyphen? Okay, come here. Because indexes is representing like this one. Okay, 1 minute. I'm removing this one, guys. Just I'm checking this. Why we are getting hyphen? Yeah, actually, I think in the older version, guys, some issue is there. I will check it now. See, it's taking, right. It's taking without hyphen also, right? Without hyphen also. Okay, without hyphen. But in the newer version, right? In the later, in the what is that? I checked it, right there. It's taking hyphen. Based on that, we are enabling. But okay, no problem. I think the Spring people is removed, right? Spring people is removed. Okay, it's good only hyphen. There is no much burden about to read that, because here hyphen also in the result we are getting, right. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Okay. So like this, what we are doing now, guys? Like this, we are reading the data. Okay, we are reading the data. Okay, so next one is what? No. Okay, Ravikant, still one collection area is there. What is that? Map collection area is left. Okay, so if map collection area is left, okay, so how we can write it now, those things? How we can write it in those things? Okay, so come in here. Okay, so this is what? This is the list set. And what is that? Array we seen that. Okay, in the map, what is that map? We know that. Okay, in the map, what is that? Let's see that diagrammatically. Just think about that. We are creating, what is that? One map. Inside that, what is that? We are taking just what? String generic type, string integer, right? Integer. And here I'm taking just version, right? This is the property, right? This is the property in our class, guys. Okay, so inside this one, what is that? Just what is that? Just I'm taking dummy value. Just think about that. I'm taking what? Dummy value, right? Inside this, what is that? Key. Inside this one, what? Key is there. Inside this one, what? Key is there. Here, what? Value is there, right? Here, value is there. Inside this key and value, what we will do now next? What we will do now next, guys? So just think about that. Just think about that. Version one, right? Version one, version one. This is the version one. Inside this version one, just eight. I'm giving, right? Version two. version 2 I'm giving what, version 2 12, right? Version 3 I'm just giving what, version 3, this 3 version I'm taking, right? 3 version, this one is I'm taking just what is that, any value guys, you can take any value. So in this map this value is there, right? So how we can write about this attribute data, right? In the property we will write like this, okay? So prefix is our what, we know that my dot app is there, right? My dot app is there, and what is that value name, version, right? Dot version, right? Dot version. Next what we will do now guys, dot, okay? Dot, what is that, v1 is there na, version 1, it will become key equal to, and this one 8 will become what, 8 will become what guys, it will become value. Now same like what we will do now, copy and paste, v 3 right? So here just change this one, okay? Just here key and value change it. Here what is that, 2, version 2 is what, 12, and what is that, here what is that, here 3 is there, 3 make as a what, 20. Like this we will write in the property. Okay, what is the ml file? If properties look like this, then what is the ml file? Okay, let's see that, this one also. So what is that guys, what is the ml? So see that, okay, my colon, one space, after then app colon what, a one space, what is that, version, this value, attribute value name guys, okay? Colon, what is that, down, okay? Here what is that, v1 colon 1 space 8, okay? Down, again what is that, v2 colon, what is that, another one is what guys, 12, right? 12. Now another one down, what, now down what, v3, right? v3 colon, what is that, one space 19, 19 20, right? 20. Like this our ml will become, right? Like this one our ml will become. Okay, let's write it, this one also now. Let's write this one also now guys. Okay, so okay, just I'm removing these things, okay? Just I'm removing property also, and this one also, okay? And in the runner class also these attributes I'm going to remove it, okay guys? Just what I'm going to do now, just I'm removing this one, okay? So here just I'm taking what, private what, map, private map. Inside that I'm taking what, string, another one is what, integer, right? Integer integer, right? So here I'm taking the version. Now I'm taking what, version now guys, okay? So after then what we will do now, just come inside that property file, okay? Property file. So what we will do now in the property, the my dot application, right? App dot, what is that, version, right? Version, what is that, v1, version dot v1 equal to what, just I'm taking 10. Just copy this one, paste it, right? Now here version 2, here take the version 2, here take the version 3, right? Here just 20, just I'm taking what, 20, here I'm taking what, 30, right? This is the our property file is there, right guys? This is the what, property file. So sorry guys, network problem is there. Now everything is fine now. Come on, use the chat box guys. Everyone, yes. Okay. So now what we will do now guys? So okay. Now fine. Let's come inside this one, okay? Let's come in the runner class and let's run our application. Run as what? A Spring Boot application. Okay. We are getting what? We are getting what guys? Version null, right? Null we are getting. Null means what? Our property file is not able to recognize our application. So what is that? 1 minute. Something wrong is there, right? Something what? Okay, control shift O. Fine now. Prefix my, okay, version. V1, V2, V3 is fine, right? Now right click. Why we are getting null? That V1, V2, V3 version application, right? My.app, my.app. Okay, no problem. Right click, update the project. Run application. Why we are getting the null version null? Everything is okay now, but 1 minute, guys. It's checking our patience app. For patience, it's checking now. Okay. V1, V2, same things I explain here, right? So version V1, V2, V3, same only, right? Version is correct. But why it's not able to read it? Configuration property. Oh, see guys, we are imported wrong things, because of that we are not able to, right? So now Control Shift O. We have need to import collection. Oh, we are wasting unnecessary time here. Now right click, run as. Now we will see that. See that version V1 10, V2 20, V3 30. Now write it, the same thing in the what? Property YAML file, right? YAML file. So how we can write it? My dot colon, right? My colon app colon version colon. Now here v1 colon 1 space, guys. Okay, 10. Another one is what? v2 colon what? v2 colon 1 space 50. Just I'm writing. Okay, here what is that? v3 colon just what I'm going 100. I'm taking right here. So this is what our ml file. Now property, comment these things. Okay, comment it. Otherwise first priority will go to whom? First priority will go to whom? Has symbol, right? Comment it. Comment it. In the property has symbol, it means what is that? Comment. Now right click, run as Spring Boot. Oh, again null. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, come here. My app version. Yeah, problem is there. Right click, update the Maven project. Just update it. Yeah. Now run this application. Now it's injected, guys. Version 1, version 110, 50, 100, right? Like this, we are reading the complex data, okay? Right? Like this, we are reading the complex data, guys, okay? So do one things, guys. Let's start the session today here only, and tomorrow long session will be there, okay? Tomorrow still, what is that? Has a relation. Reading the data from in the between has a relation. That is the more important, right? And what is that? Next I will explain what is that. Every application mix up one application, right? I will mix all those concept in one application, which is the real life application, right? After then we will move on what? Profiler, guys. Profiler, okay? We will work on what? Profiler, okay? Profiler, next concept is what? Our profiler. And profiler is more important. What is that? In what is that? Real environment. Whenever we will work on what? Kubernetes and all those things, okay? Those area it will work, and the console based reading the data and all those things. Tomorrow concept is more important, okay? This is what just I explain what is that, how to read the data in what our classes, right? Our classes tomorrow onward, what is that? Reality will be there, which one we will use in the day-to-day company also, right? So don't miss tomorrow's session, guys. Okay, tomorrow we will connect again, and next steps we will learn. Now till now the things is come everyone is understood the things are not, guys? Come on, let me know that. Unmute yourself now. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute yourself, let me know that, guys. The things is clear, right? Clear or something. If anyone having any doubt, let me know that, guys. Ask me, I will tell. Yes, Amrani.
Yes, all's fine. I answered and understood alls.
Okay, Amrani, that's a
Thank
good
you
one.
very much.
Okay, do
Mhm.
the practical, and whenever I'm taking the session, please be the continue, because I think tomorrow onward only, right? Tomorrow maybe I think still so many concept is there, but I will try. If based on your what is that energy, based on yours energy, I will take the decision. Can I complete tomorrow only boot core? It will extend, because more concept are still left, okay? Still more concept
Okay.
is left. Okay, based on that yours in energy, I have the capacity to take, right, till 9 o'clock in the night. 2 to 9 o'clock I can take continuous session, but how much you people are, what is that curious about to learn the things? Based on your energy, I will take the decision tomorrow, okay? But tomorrow long session will be there, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, what about Ankit, Anup, Dipti, Jitendra, Manjulata, Mayank, Ayodele, Padma, Pujita, Sudhir, Suraj, David, everyone, please unmute yourself and let me know that, guys.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's very clear, sir. There's no
Okay.
doubt.
Yeah, we'll do
Very,
one. Yeah, do one time practical. Ayodele, from your side, some network issue is there, right?
yes.
So then how you can able to understand my lecture? I don't know. Okay, no problem. YouTube video will be there, right? Video will be there. Okay, you can watch there also. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. What about Padma? Padma. Okay.
Sir, no doubt.
Okay, Dipti. Good, very good. Do the
Thank
practical.
you, sir.
Do
Yes.
the practical one time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, Padma.